Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of technology with a long-term review of the Redmi Band. After months of testing, I got all the insights I need. First, let's talk about the design. The Redmi Band sports a sleek, minimal look with a vibrant 1.47-inch AMOLED display. It's light and comfortable, perfect for all-day wear. The display is bright and clear, even in direct sunlight. Navigating through the interface is smooth and intuitive with responsive touch control. Whether you're checking your heart rate or reading notifications, it's all a swipe away. On the fitness front, the Redmi Band tracks more than 30 different activities, from running to yoga. It monitors your heart rate 24/7, tracks sleep pattern, and is even able to check your blood oxygen level. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist. The Redmi Band lasts up to 14 days on a single charge, and when it needs a boost, the magnetic charger makes it quick and easy. No more problems with cable. The Redmi Band is not just about fitness. It also supports music playback, weather forecast, and notification. Also, guided breathing exercises are great for managing stress throughout the day. There are pros and cons here. Pros: excellent display, comprehensive fitness tracking, long battery life, and additional smart. Con: the design can be too basic for some, and the interface can be a bit laggy at times. So, what is the Redmi Band worth? Of course, if you're looking for an affordable yet feature-packed fitness tracker. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and feedback on Redmi Band.